Hello dear students, how are you all? Today we are going to start our 8th standard physics chapter number 3, Force and Pressure. Dear friends, in the class 6, 7 you might have learned about the force and the different types of forces which we are feeling in the surrounding. Let us begin chapter number 3, Force and Pressure. What is meant by force? Let us have a look on some examples. What do you observe? Yes, a grass roller was on the lawn. When a force is applied on the grass roller, the resting rollers start to move. It means the resting roller set into the motion. Let's go for second example. The moving ball, the ball was moving on applying force. What happened? Yes, it became in the rest. A moving car slows on applying force. Next example, you can see a girl is swinging on the swing. To increase the speed of swing, she applies force. So force increases the speed. Hockey player, if you want to change the direction of the ball, apply the force with hockey stick. An object which is non-rigid, on applying force, its size gets changed. The rubber is non-rigid object. On applying force on it, its size gets changed. A plastic which is non-rigid object, on applying force, its shape gets changed. This is the result of force. Its shape gets changed. As soon as force is taken out, it comes to its original shape. So this is effect of force on object. So from this you can define what is meant by force. Force is a cause of push or pull. This push or pull can change the motion of object or can change the speed of object or it change the size and shape of object. So here is the definition of force. Remember something important about force. Force does not change mass of object. As well as we cannot see force, but we can feel its presence. Force is a vector quantity. It requires magnitude as well as direction. Unit of force is Newton. Isaac Newton, Sir Isaac Newton, who discovered the gravity, the concept of gravity. And in the honor of Isaac Newton, the unit of force is given in his name as a Newton. We can say that the symbol of Newton is capital N. And 1 Newton force is the amount of force which is applied on 1 kilogram of mass. And it increases the speed of 1 kilogram of mass by 1 meter per second. And this amount of force is called as 1 Newton force. Students, you know about weight. In our day-to-day life, we are using weight and mass concept very wrongly. Actually, weight is nothing but a force which is given by the earth, which attracts the mass on it, that we are calling as a weight. Weight is mass into gravity of Earth, or weight is the force of attraction applied by Earth on a particular mass of the object. Since we can say that weight is not same in every place on the Earth, because if you will look at the shape of our Earth, it is not the perfect circle, it is elliptical. It is flattened at the pole and bulge at the equator. As a result of this, radius of Earth is not same, and increase or decrease in the distance from the center of the Earth, which changes the gravity on the mass, and ultimately it changes the weight of the substance. Force of gravity on a mass of 1 kilogram we can express as 1 kgf. We can say that 1 kgf is approximately equal to 10 Newton. Here I am giving you a few questions to learn and write.